Hello guys, welcome to TechniBox, and today we are building a gaming/editing PC and we are using AMD FX-8350 processor in this build, and it's a 8-core Black Edition processor from AMD which costs around $180. It performs really well in different aspects like multitasking, video encoding, image editing, etc. It competes with Intel's Core i5-3570 processor, and also we are using a Gigabyte GA-970A-D3 motherboard which costs around $88, and it's ready for the AMD FX processors and 9 series chipsets. We are also using 16 gigs of Corsair Vengeance DDR3 memory, and it costs around $168. It's a DDR3 memory which is clocked at 1600 megahertz, and we are using EVGA GTX 650 Ti boost graphics card which costs around $180, and it performs really good. It performs a bit lower than the GeForce GTX 660, and it performs better than the Radeon HD 7790. For the storage, we are using 240 gigs of Samsung 840 Series SSD which costs $280, and it's a 2.5-inch drive. It gives you the speed of 6 GB per second, and we are going to install Windows and other softwares like Adobe Premiere, Sony Vegas, etc. on this drive. And in the hard disk side, we are going to use 1.5 TB Western Digital Caviar green hard drive, and it's a 3.5-inch SATA 3 drive, and it has a cache of 64 MB. It costs around $77. In the PSU side, we are using Corsair Builder Series CX 600-watt power supply, and it's an 80+ gold power supply which costs only around $66. And for the case, we are using Corsair's Carbide Series 200 Arc backed ATX case, and it costs around $60. You have a lot of room for working on it, different drive space and more stuff there. And let's end the build with installing the Windows 8 System Builder OS, and it costs around $97. It is really good for the computer we are building. You can also install Windows 7 instead of this Windows 8 OS. It's your option, and that's it guys. Thanks for watching, and comment below what you think about this build. And that's it guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, that helps me a lot, and stay tuned for more. Bye.